Hello Libra, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money weekly reading from 21st to 27th September. Hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Just an astrological input to share. Lot of planetary movements. Mars just went retrograde a couple of days back, so all zodiac signs will be affected to different degrees, with feeling low energy, low ambition, low drive, because Mars is the fiery planet for ambition, that pushing forward, high energy. So once it's in retrograde, it's the effects is gonna be on the lower side. But we have a good news here. Jupiter has come out of retrograde on 13th September, so things which were stuck, like Jupiter is the planet of good luck, abundance, finances, knowledge, faith, your belief. So it is coming out. It has come out of retrograde. So things which were stuck now will actually get a completion slowly. The momentum will catch up slowly. There's a double good news. Saturn is coming out of retrograde on 29th September. So the planet of karma, the planet of restriction and boundaries. So if we have done hard work, if we have used the opportunities to our maximum potential, Saturn is gonna reward us. So hoping to believe this. Let's see, and good luck for all of us, all of you there. Let's see what's there in this week, Libra. So I've shuffled these cards before. Let me start off. Okay, so here is the first card, Libra. Strength. So strength card, it is Leo energy. Strength is, you will have something to show off to the world, to your, in your workplace, in your business dealings, in your partnership, in wherever you are. It is going, you will have something to show off. Strength also talks about your mental strength here, being courageous, being fearless. That is what, and there is something that you will be proud of, and you will show off, because that's you have worked hard for it. There is something to be something there will be to show off for you. So good, it's a pride kind of thing. You have hard earned it, so you must show this. It comes with, let me see the card. Yeah, so it comes with King of Wands. So this is your energy, Libra. It is like you have made this possible, so you will display your achievement, you will display your strength, you will display your courage in situations that have taken you to this success where you are today. King of Wands is a very focused, ambitious, entrepreneur, businessman, or at job, who is very visionary, who always have backup plans. If in case plan A fails, plan B is ready. So you are that kind. So nobody can take success from you. So this success, it's high time to show your success to the world, to the people around you, in your work, wherever you are. So great card to start with, Libra. Let's see what else. So this is air and fire energy. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius could be the people you will be dealing with, also Leo. So I feel with the strength cards you are going to get gains glory and some applause for your work. Good times I see for you, Libra, here. There's quite a good times. So let's see here. Ace of Cups. Let's see what is happening. Okay, with 10 of Cups. So there is something, I think you have achieved something this week, or you got a news. This is a communication coming to you regarding a news which is making you and your family happy. You are enjoying your time, your prestige, your status, your achievements with your family. See, it's a 10 of Cups energy. Both are Cups energy. So there is no contradicting element to this. It's a plus. It's like an added good news. 10 of Cups, there has been certain difficulties. 10 of Cups is happiness after small difficulties. So see, this is time you're celebrating with your family and friends. There is some communication coming, you know, to you. It could be in your job situation, money situation. You could have cleared your interview. You could have got a new job. Some of you might be starting a new enterprise because you have this King of Wands here. So different situation resonates to all of you here. But this is like your family is also proud of you, of your achievement, and you are very caring, giving and nurturing to your family. So emotionally also you are feeling contented this week. This is what I get here. Overall happiness. Very nice cards, Libra. On the work front, things seem to go very well for you, Libra, and I'm happy to share this with you. Let's see what else for Libra here. The Empress. My God, you got some great cards, Libra. Which comes with, okay, so this is 10 of Wands. Like, it's to read, this is the Empress position. This is like growth, abundance, prosperity, happiness, you know, Empress energy, caring, nurturing. So there is, of course, you got 10 of Cups. There are two here, you know, there is a kind of story I can say here. One is that, you know, maybe a person with this Empress energy could be a female. She could be a boss, or at home your mother, or a business partner who is elder to you, or you know, could be more mature also, but usually it's the elder to you, Libra. This person could take off your workload if there is a lot of burdening situations that some of you are going to. She could be of help. This is not gender specific, like it could be a male or a female, but with this Empress energy, who is like too caring, kind, gentle, a person with lot of knowledge, intelligent, beautiful, you know, rich. You say it like she's the epitome of, you know, beauty and growth and happiness. So some person of this energy, if some of you are going through this overburdening situation, lot of work, lot of stress, lot of, you know, because when you have achieved something, see, you have achieved something that requires work, it requires lot of focus. So this person will help you in, you know, cutting your burden down. You can just take an advice from such person here. You could reach out to them for help in case, you know, you feel that you are overburdened with the work or overburdened with the situation. Maybe at your office you have been given a lot of work. If she's or he's your boss, go and speak, you know, about your situation. Definitely, you know, this Empress again is a Libra card. So I feel it could be your energies too. So somehow that's what I was telling. I get two storylines. Somebody of an Empress energy can, you know, unburden your responsibilities, help you carry your responsibilities better. Also, it's asking you to, you know, cut down your work and take your time out for yourself. You know, take care about yourself. Spend time relaxing, rejuvenating, you know, and going for a holiday, a short break. Take self-care, self-love, kind of being with family, being with friends. This is what I get in the other part of the story. So because she's a Libra, so this is like some Libra person could help you, Empress energy kind, and this is like you need to cut down on your work a little bit if you are really stressed up with work, and take care of yourself and your family, and vice versa. So very beautiful card here, Libra, for you. You have a platter full of goodies, Libra. This is what I'm going to say for this week. You are lucky. You are very lucky, Libra. Now let's see what else. The Temperance comes with Two of Pentacles. So it seems, Libra, for some of you, you know, you are juggling two ideas or two business together. It's a card of making choices, having options. So maybe some of you might decide to go with one option, or you know how to this is like creating a balance in a situation also, like balance in a balanced way you need to think. So here comes the Sagittarius energy. This calls for balance, going with the flow, like listening to your inner voice. This card is like, once you want to make a decision, think thoroughly about it, you know. go with the flow, how things have been in your past to your present and how you are going to take it in future. You need to think about all the aspects and then to make a decision or choice. This could be regarding some money situation, it could be regarding maybe two jobs, you have an option of two jobs and you need to choose one, or maybe two businesses, or a job and a business, different combinations here. And also it could be that if you are feeling restless in your mind, maybe you have a lot of achievement, ambitions and all, if inside you are feeling a little empty. So this is also a card of balancing your mind and soul. To you, this calls for balance. So overall, this is a card of balance, going with the flow, following your intuition, healing. So this is what I get, Libra. With this Two of Pentacles, it seems that some of you might get a check or a draft or money not directly coming into your account, which will be maybe you'll get a check which is an indirect form of cash coming to you. First it has to go to the bank and then get it cash. So similar kind of, or an insurance payout or something like that might be coming for some of you here, but definitely some money coming with Two of Pentacles here for you, Libra. So this is it. I see here new opportunities for you, and which is really going to make happy, new opportunities. Also I see travel for you here, for some of you here, and it's an awesome week. So this is it, Libra, for this week. Hopefully will if you do like my readings and resonates with you, so do subscribe to my channel, comment, and do not forget to put on the bell button, so that you get notifications on my coming videos. So thank you. Until then, take care, stay blessed.